Wow, don't sell your Shiba Inu. Wow, don't sell your Shiba Inu because Shiba Inu might be deleting 2 or 3 zeros. I know the past few years Shiba Inu have not really hit the way it was before. We all know that this coin still remain one of the biggest crypto coin that have ever rise because Shiba Inu have actually hit millions of percent. But of course, since hitting over $40 billion market cap, what happened? That will be the question, because this coin we are talking about right now, Shiba Inu, have about a little bit over $4 billion market cap. So what happened to the $36 billion market cap? What happened to the position they were ranked before? The 7th highest crypto coin, the highest market cap today, is now trading between the 18th and 20th crypto coins with the highest market cap. Does it mean it is over for Shiba Inu? The answer is no, it is not over. This same coin is still today. In the next 2-3 years to come, Shiba Inu might be hitting over 10,000 to 100,000%, and they see the possibility for the coin to reach 1 cent. Oh yes, 1 cent is very much possible. You know why? Because as of last year, Shiba Inu burning rate was very low. Yes, Shiba Inu was just burning sometime in a day. Shiba Inu was destroying about 10 million, 20 million, 50 million coins. This is a coin with over 580 trillion coins. So people were like, what is going on? But right now, the burning rate of Shiba Inu have really increased. The burning rate of Shiba Inu have really increased in the past few months. Of course, you know why? Because they definitely want to copy what others are doing, which is what? Introducing a tax bond. Yes, tax bond, which means if you're buying, if you're selling Shiba Inu coins, Shiba Inu charges you a tax bond, and the tax bond definitely will be sending to a bond wallet, and it's always what be bond, and this have actually helped Shiba Inu to bond more coins. And since then, there have been an improvement on Shiba Inu coins. Since then, Shiba Inu have started getting more. So we believe so much that Shiba Inu in the next few years is definitely going to rise. So if you are planning to sell, maybe you should stake your Shiba Inu coin. But please remember, any coin you don't want to sell, you want to stake, you want to keep, let it be a coin that no matter what happens, it can never affect you. Please do not invest what you cannot afford to lose. That is the golden rule. That is what you need to know in terms of investment. For Shiba Inu, kindly invest or keep coins that you know no matter what, you know it's not going to affect you. But I believe in the next few years, we might be seeing Shiba Inu coin trading at a very high price. Remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.